73. Place o kaganina, paano? How? Sufficient presentment. Kinsa ang present? Kay kinsa na to i-present? Sa section 73 is place. Asa man at the proper place. Pag gina-specify sa instrument, it is there presented kung naka-indicated to, I promise to pay Maria or bearer the sum of 10,000 pesos on May 1, 2024 at na dito naka-indicate. So dito na dito place address at my home address sa akong home address at 529B o Pasilak Street. So dito nimo i-present. Then pag walay place of payment is naka-indicate but the address of the person to make payment is given. So kung na-address dito kay ni maker, dito siya nimo i-present. Where, number 3, where no place of payment is specified. So, wala na naka-indicate na place of payment. Wala pagoy address na ginabutang dito sa maker at the usual place of business or residence of the person to make the payment. So, sa iyahang business place or sa iyahang residence. Next, in any other case, if person to make payment whenever he can be found or if presented as his last known place of business or residence. So, kung wala gihapon, so, take note class nga, there is an order of place of presentment. So, mo ni ang sundo nato. Number 1, kung naka-specify dito sa instrument. So, dito na to i-present. What if wala naka-specify? So, next option ta. Address sa person na magbayad. Kung walay naka-specify sa note, wala naka-indicate ang address, asa man ta sa usual place of business or sa residence of the person kung wala gyapon class. Then, wherever he can be found. Kung nasa nimo siya, makitaan si person na liable. Or, dito sa iyang last known place of business or residence. Dito nimo i-present. Okay, so section 74 class, instrument must be exhibited. The instrument must be exhibited to the person from whom payment is demanded. And when it is paid, must be delivered up to the party paying it. So again, class, presentment is the act of the holder of a negotiable instrument of exhibiting a note to the maker. So, naanan nimo ang note, ikaw nagunit ang note, imo nang ipakita, i-present dito sa maker and mag-demand aron makademand ka og bayad or pag-bill pod dito sa Drawy Bank sa bangko and requesting it na dawaton aron mabayaran. Unsa may purpose nganong kailangan mga mag-present for payment dili pwede nga automatic na lang unta, no? Para sa debtor, siya nga magbayad, si maker or si Drawy Bank, iyang ma-determine ang genuineness of the instrument, ang mga pirma, o kini nga tao, rightful ba gyud ni siya? Basin daig example sa bank ha, basin daig gi-forge ra to. Diba ma-check ni bank, tama ba ang mga signature? Mao ba yun ang signature ni drawer? O diba, wala ba ni gi-forge? Wala ba ni gikawat? Sumo na siya ang purpose. Makita nila genuine ba yun siya? Dili ba ni buhat-buhat? Diba? And to enable him upon payment to take possession of it to guard against a lusot by subsequent holder. Aron, napod siya protect himself nga, diba? Gatag siya sa imuha og kwarta. So, na siya proof. Why are you giving money to that person? O, kani, nag-release og money ani, tungod kay naman siya note na ginapakita to guard against a lusot by subsequent holder. Okay, section 75, presentment where instrument payable at bank. Pag ang instrument is payable at a bank, presentment for payment must be made during discuss na ko kanina, dapat banking hours. Diba? Kaya kinsa may mong presentan dira kung close na ang bangko. Diba? Dili man pwede sa guard. Unless the person to make payment has no funds there to meet it at any time during the day, in which case, presentment at any hour before the bank is closed on that day is sufficient. So, gawas. So, diba, ang example ka sa mga banking hours usually is 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So, pag ang mga bank na walay Saturday, Sundays, and holidays, so you cannot present it during that day, during those days. So, kahit pa mag-due na siya, butang mag-due siya on Saturday, so, dili nimo siya ma-present ana na mga days kay sarado man ang bank. Gawas kon unfunded. So, unless the person to make payment has no funds there to meet it at any time during the day. For example, karon nimo gina-present ang note diha sa bank daw big kay unfunded man wala may fund. So, pwede nimo siya i-present at any hour before the bank is closed on that day is sufficient.